Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a mascara that promises to give you bold, voluminous lashes that last all day, then you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at Revlon's So Fierce Mascara in Blackest Black. If you've struggled with mascaras that flake, smudge, or leave you with clumpy lashes, you'll definitely want to hear what I have to say about this one. And hey, before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a review. Ready? Let's get into it. Revlon So Fierce Mascara is all about giving you dramatic length and volume, promising lashes that look like lash extensions. The mascara features a unique formula with lash-lifting polymers, paraffin, and rice bran waxes. These ingredients work together to extend and amplify your lashes, ensuring a bold, voluminous look. But what really sets this mascara apart is its 24-hour wear time. Revlon promises no smudging, no flaking, and definitely no clumping, just fierce lashes that last all day long. What I love about this mascara is the tapered wand with 252 multi-layered bristles. This design allows the wand to comb through each lash from root to tip, separating and coating every lash with precision. It's not just about volume. It's about the detail and precision that the wand provides, ensuring that each lash is defined without the dreaded clump effect. The glossy black finish gives that high-impact look, making your lashes appear fuller and more dramatic. I've been using this mascara for a couple of weeks now, and I can confidently say it lives up to its promises. It's incredibly easy to apply. The tapered wand fits comfortably in the hand, making it simple to get right into the corners of your eyes without smudging. The formula glides on smoothly and doesn't feel heavy on the lashes. I've worn it throughout busy days, during workouts, and even in hot, humid weather. It truly lasts. No smudging or flaking, which is a massive plus. Now let's break it down. Pros: longevity. It stays on for up to 24 hours without smudging or flaking, which is a huge plus. Precision. The tapered wand grabs every lash and coats it perfectly. No clumps. Thanks to the multi-layered bristles, you can layer the mascara without worrying about clumping. Glossy finish. The Blackest Black shade delivers a rich, glossy black that enhances the volume of your lashes. Cons: buildable volume. While it gives impressive volume, you may need to layer it a bit to achieve the most dramatic lash look. Packaging. The packaging is a bit bulky compared to some other mascaras, which may not be ideal if you're looking for a super compact product. In terms of value for money, I think this mascara is definitely worth its price. When you compare it to other high-end mascaras that claim similar 24-hour wear and volume, the Revlon So Fierce Mascara holds its own, delivering excellent performance at a more accessible price point. You get long-lasting results, a precise application, and, best of all, no mess. Alternatives. If you're looking for something in a similar price range, but maybe with a bit more volume right off the bat, Maybelline's Lash Sensational or L'Oreal's Lash Paradise could be great options to consider. Both are known for giving voluminous lashes with good staying power, though neither matches the precise application that So Fierce offers. Revlon has built a reputation for creating makeup that performs well and has staying power, and So Fierce Mascara is no exception. This product is great for anyone looking for long-lasting volume without worrying about flakes or smudges. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Overall, Revlon So Fierce Mascara gets a solid recommendation from me. It's perfect for anyone who needs a dependable mascara that can handle long hours without compromising on volume or definition. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, if you've tried this mascara or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below. Let us know your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.